didn't hear you come in. Willkommen to the first of a series of videos exploring my new book, Say Nein to Snoring. Heute, nein, auf Englisch, Dunkelkopf, auf Englisch. Today I am going to demonstrate my revolutionary Cognitive Developmental Snoring Therapy. There you are. Over the course of the last century, psychologists and witch doctors have tried many different ways to help stop snoring. And some of these old wise recipes have become very popular in Deutschland after I published them in my book, particularly for those people who've tried many different methods but without success. There are a number of weird and wunderbar techniques that I have tested with differing degrees of success. The Egyptian method of sleeping with rotten food. The ancient Deutsche technique of wearing a muscle. The old English pig's head mythology. And the Afrikaans dead bird necklace technique. If all else fails, an effigy of Saint Hasselhoff might ward away evil snoring spirits. Das ist gut, ja? Also, forget your over-the-counter remedies und buy meine Bücher. Say Nein to Snoring. Nein!